Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlearn.com. Pretty much every day, even on days when San Diego Comic-Con is happening, I go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target and record myself solving it. Let's get right to today's. We're getting a little loading issue. Let's just go ahead and preemptively refresh. Make sure that we load. That is not looking very happy. Let's inspect and see if there is some sort of a network error. Not really. Oh, there we go. Oh, awesome. Look at that guy. That's a fun puzzle. All right. What is this shape? How do we do it? I think this is a radial gradient and a conic gradient. And that's it. That's how I want to do it. I think that I can accomplish it that way. Let's find out. No margins, don't need any of that. All right, so we will start with the stripes. Conic gradient, which is at 20 pixels, and is, I know we need a from. We're going to do from 90 degrees. And our first color is the light color, some kind of a beige, FEF6E2, 25% or 90 degrees worth of that. And then that 0. So that's how we make that shape. So that's what we just did. That does seem aligned. Now, if I put that in the upper corner with a 0, 0 and give it a width of probably 380 pixels, that looks good. And then a height of 40 pixels. There we go. All right. On top of that, we want a radial gradient. And that radial gradient is in the middle, so we need a 50% background position. That needs a width and height. Let's start with 100 pixels, and then we need to not repeat it. That's important. Comma. Okay, so because that background is square, I believe it's a square, I don't need a 1Q or the keyword circle. But I do need that and that. So we see that in the middle. So let's make it a little bigger. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 160, 160. That's what we have now. So now if we give this color stops, second color stop will be 0, which makes the whole thing brown. But when we add a number here, let's use a Q number, 50Q. How about 60Q? 61, 2, 3, 4. Oh, might not work. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about percent? 4, 5, 54, 53, 53%. All right, let's submit that. Hopefully that's 100%. If it is, then we're done for the day. And we are. That's great. Obviously, many ways to do this. You could do many elements. You could do box shadows. You could create big, long paragraph elements. You could create. There's just so many different ways to do these things. Minify, unireplace, chop off the final brace. Again, these are plugins, always linked from each the notes of each one of these videos. Submit for a final answer, and then we're all done. Thank you all for watching, and take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage. I'll see you around.